Mechanic Advisor's texting platform allows us to follow up and check in with your customers after their ticket is closed out in the shop management system, and if they haven't been in the shop, we're checking in with them throughout the year. We break our messaging down into two different messages. One is for new customers. The second is for your repeat customers. So 2 days after a ticket is closed out in your shop management system, new customers are going to receive a text that looks like this, and repeat customers will receive a text that looks like this. Then 5 days after we send them that text, we're sending over a review request via text and email, making it very easy for your customers to go here, click on Great Job, and it brings them right to your Google page where they can go in and leave a 5-star review, which will get posted directly to Google.